Like, this is so pretty, and it makes her teeth look so white. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup once again. So it is from the new ColourPop Wild Child collection. So I was able to snag up a palette, one blush, and a Lippie little pencil. But before I jump all the way into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. Oh, and I wanted to let you guys know as well, I did use all shades in the entire palette. So we have 9 shades all on these eyes today. A total of 9 shades and beautiful. Y'all, I'm actually gonna get right on into the tutorial because there's not too much to talk about with the packaging today. It's all about the performance with this collection. If you guys wanna get this gorgeous chocolatey look, just stay tuned. I am going to point out that the palette does retail, I believe this one was that $12 to $15 mark. And also the Lippie pencil was that $7 mark, $7, $8 mark. And then the blush was that $10 to $15 mark. So I'm going to put all the info below in my description box. So first I'm going to talk about is the beautiful palette, of course. So with this Wild Child palette, y'all, I kept mixing it up with the Wild Thing palette, but it's Wild Child. This palette is pretty much your wonderland of browns and warm goody chocolates and coppers and just really, really pretty amber colors in here too. This palette does give you 9 shades. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 mattes, we have 4 shimmers, and then 1 glitter in the center. They do give you an even amount, it's just 1 little glitter. So I have to admit, this little palette size and everything, I love the whole packaging. I like the whole chocolatey, you know, chocolatey wildlife kind of effect to it. Love that. I'm just tired of the pressed glitters or the chunkier glitters. I'm tired of that. I feel like they could have just added like a dual chrome. Give me a dual chrome or trial chrome. Like a brown to copper gold. Ooh, that would have been gorgeous. But I don't want no glitter no more. Shimmer I love. Chromes I love. But pressed glitters, any chunkier kind of glitters, tired of it. Really am. But my favorite shade out of this whole palette, well, actually I have a few. I love Grassland. Again, that is that matte shade, again, that has kind of the gold pinpoints inside the chocolate brown. It's so, so pretty. And then I love hashtag Spotted. That was a good neutral. I could see me putting that on just my eye, just a bare eye, and just blend that out a little bit. It'd be so pretty. It has like a little deepness to it for my eye, but it's still kind of warm. So it would look like you got makeup on, but you don't really got makeup on. That's what I like about that color. And I did put that in that inner corner. That's why you can see it like on the top. You can see it, but not see it. I like that kind of natural nude look too. I'm not gonna lie, the lashes, the glitter is very pretty. I did put that on the center of my eyeballs. You guys see earlier. It did go in there quite easily. They do wipe off quite easily off your finger. That's why I assumed it is pressed glitter and whatnot. This palette is very beautiful. Again, browns are neutral. Everyone can rock them and wear them unless you don't like warm shades. But any neutral shades, you can definitely get out of this neutral kind of look. And I like it. I feel like we've seen colors like this before. We've seen browns, all kinds of browns. But I still like this so much because I knew this was going to be a rich, beautiful palette. I knew it was going to be easy to make several dozens of different looks with it. And again, very pigmented. No surprise here. And even the glitter was kind of cute. Again, guys, on this channel, I love browns and anything pastel. So usually anything brown, I'm like, I'm snagging it up. And anything pastel, I really want to snag it up and try it too. I feel like this palette is really good for all types of people, all different types of shades. You'll like this one, especially that nice warm color. But since we're, I guess, getting out February into February now and all that, I feel like this would be beautiful in the summer, but it would be beautiful in fall too. So it's kind of like that, both spectrums, you can use this anytime. I think I have neutral palettes, but I don't have like an all brown. I have like brown and gold, but these are a lot more brownies. It's a favorite. So next we're gonna be talking about the pressed powder blush. This is in the shade Trippin. So this shade Trippin, y'all. Now this shade is very pretty. It is deeper and dark. I'm very surprised because ColourPop usually, if y'all know, they usually don't have colors that show up on more melanized skin, in my opinion. It's my opinion. But I feel like this one is actually very pretty. It's very warm. And it's warmer than I thought, and it does add that nice little sheen to my cheeks as well. I like it to be matte. I don't really care for the sheen on top, but I'm not too mad at it because it's not too like, it's not glitter. But like I said, it is pretty on the cheeks. It's very pretty. The only thing I have a problem with is I want it to be richer. I could have got a little more in depth, but it is a soft little blush. And I wonder too, because I don't wear too much of a heavy foundation. I wear more heavy lip and eye. So this is very a light coat. So I really wonder maybe on like a skin moisturizer, like a tinted moisturizer, will this be even more powerful looking? I'm curious about that, but this one is a cute little blush. The darkest one I've ever got. It's very deep, but it's reddy. It's very, very red tone. It has that shimmer sheen in there. ColourPop needs to range on their blushes to fit all skin tones for real, not just, kind of like it's there. You need to fit better because there's a lot blushes. They can come out with a bomb orange when they come out with a lot of them are really, really good. And I just feel like they're lacking in that. And I see them lacking. I'm like, ColourPop, you need to come with blushes. And restock the Valentine's Day blush, especially the red one, the Love Me Not. I like the name. I think Trippin is cute. And I like the reddy. I like the brownish part. The reddy part so much, I'm like, I don't really want that. And also too, it is very light. I was a little bit, in there in the pan a little bit trying to get it up, and it's just a very baby soft brown, but I want a little more oomph. But I do like the packaging, of course, and I do like the price range, and I feel like this is one of the darkest blushes I've seen them ever make in my life, so not too mad at that. They just need to keep going down this road. Keep making them, make them deeper and deeper. Very pretty as a blush. It is very soft and subtle. We all know they have Lippie Stix, right? This is the new one called Oh Behave. Y'all, this shade, very, very, very good name. Very good name because it is very realistic. This shade, if you can see it on my lips right now, I'm wearing her. She is very much extreme. Like, yes, calm down, girl. This is a lip, honey. I love chocolatey brown lips. This is a lip. I'm still like, keep looking at my lips. It's just so freaking good. I put this on and it smells lovely. It smells like a chocolate caramel on your lips. I know it smells good, but I feel like they put a little something different in this one. It just smells extra juicy caramel, a little bit of chocolate in there, but very caramel, like sweet, sticky caramel. It smells so yummy. And it feels like it, like nice and rich and creamy and very pigmented in like one swipe. So I love this. This Lippie stick really got me together. I was like, this is really nice. I've had plenty of their Lippie sticks and I've had shades that I was like, that's nice. This one is like, that is very nice because this is full coverage, creamy lipstick. Like, this is so pretty. And it's making me want to go buy the other one called Brat Pack. I think I want to buy that one now because I'm like, since this looks so freaking pretty, I want to go buy the other ones. Because I was like, I bought one because I was like, let me buy the deepest of everything and let's get this chocolate brown experience. Like, this is so pretty and it makes my teeth look so white. I love it. It's definitely going in my collection. So overall, y'all, the collection to me is very cute. It is very brownish chocolatey goodness. It is a very, can be fall to summer coming up look. If you like that nice chocolatey brown or warm colors, you'll love this collection. I really do like this lip. I'm not over her. She's gorgeous, beautiful. I feel like they all performed as they said. The blush one is a little bit trippy, but I do see the light glow to it and a nice graduation of brown, which is very pretty. That's what a blush should graduate. It shouldn't be just so stark and crazy at the beginning for you to blend it back down. So it is pretty, but it is a very buildable blush. You gotta build her up a little bit, but still pretty. So this collection, I believe the price range, packaging, everything is to the T. It's exactly what I was asking for. I wanted chocolatey brown goodness and I got it. So again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which one did you like? Did you like the lippies? You like the blush? They had cream, they had color shock shadows too. Did you guys like those or did you like the full-on palettes? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And guys, you already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.